Hi children, good morning all. Hope you all are doing good. I hope you all have enjoyed your festival. Yes children? Okay. In the last class we have taken example 18 and you have done exercise 2.5 first bit, second bit and third bit as homework. Yes children? In today's class I am going to explain you example 20. Before that I said this complete exercise is related to this identities. Yes children? You have 9 identities. Now in the last class we have taken identity 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in today's class we are going to discuss identities 5, 6, 7 sums children. Okay now here first they have given 5x minus y plus z, 5x minus y plus z. Find the product of this they are saying. Okay, now how to do it children? 5x minus y plus z, I can write it as whole square because we have two times, right? So like x into x is nothing but what children? X square. Same thing, x and x are both are same, so that's why we are writing x square. Same thing, 5x minus y plus z, this complete and this complete both are same, so that's why I'm going to write whole square. Okay, now do we have any formula like this children? 1 2 3, three terms are there. Okay, what are terms? Plus and minus divides the terms. So 1 2 3, three terms are there and whole square is there. Do we have any three terms? Only this fifth identity, but here we have both plus. So what we are going to do? Here it is minus and here it is plus, so we are going to write 5x plus minus y in bracket we are going to take. Okay, plus z whole square. Okay children, now what is our identity? I am going to write the identity in box. X plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, now see here, what is x? X is equals to 5x. What is y? Y is nothing but minus y. Z, z is what children? Only z itself. Okay, so now already they have given in this form. Okay, so this is x plus y plus z whole square. We have to convert into this form. So first is what? X square. X square means 5x whole square plus y square. Y is what? Minus y whole square plus z is what? Z itself. So I am going to write z whole square plus 2 into x is what? 5x. Y is what? Minus y plus 2 as it is into y is what? Minus y into z is what? Same as it is z plus 2 z is what? Z itself into x is what? 5x. Okay, now 5x whole square is nothing but 25 x square, because 5 square is 25, x square is x square itself. Okay, plus minus y whole square is what? Y itself. Okay, minus into minus is plus, y square is what? Y square itself plus z square is what? Z square itself. Now plus into minus, see here, this complete we have to multiply these all and these all. Now plus into minus is minus, 2 5s are 10, x into y is what? Xy. First you need to multiply signs, then the numbers, then the variables. Okay, now plus into minus is minus, 2yz is what? 2yz itself plus 2 5s are 10, z into x is what? Z x. That's it. Did you all understood children? Now moving to our next example. moving to our next question children, that is example 21. It is on page number 51. Okay, now this question is also related to our identity 5. How did we get this? Because see here, first term, second term and third term, 3 are squares. Okay, and they have given variables xy, zy or yz, both are same, then zx. Okay, you can say xz or zx, both are same children. Okay now, so they have given in this form, we have to convert into this form now. Now see here children, very carefully. First, 4x square is it. How can we convert 4? It is 2x whole square. Okay, 2 square is nothing but 4, x square is nothing but x square. Okay, plus how can we write 9, 3, y whole square. 25, how can we write 5, z whole square. Okay, now see here, in the identity we have both 3 also pluses are there children. Here it is both are minus. Here plus, 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 plus. All the terms are plus. Here plus, plus. Here it is minus. Here it is minus. So in these two terms, which variable is similar children? Y is similar. So what we have to do, in place of 3y we can write minus 3y, because here also minus is there, here also minus is there. In these two terms y is similar, so that's why we are taking minus. Now minus 3 square is nothing but minus 3 into minus 3 will give you what? Minus into minus plus, 3 3 is 9. Did you all understanding children? It is plus 9 itself, but here they have given minus, in so that we have to take minus 3y whole square. Okay, now the numbers I am going to write same as it is, 12xy minus 30 zy plus 20zx. Okay, now can you say what is x? X is what? 2x. What is y? Y is nothing but minus 3y. What is z? Z is nothing but 5z. Now they have given in this form, we have to convert into this. Simple. So x is what? 2x. Y is what? Plus y is minus 3y plus z is what? 5z whole square I am going to write, because here whole square is there. Now 2x plus into minus, minus 3y plus 5z whole square. That's it. Now moving to our next question children. So our next example is example 22 children. Okay, given example 22 second sum children, given 2p minus 5 whole cube, page number 53. Now see here, whole cube is there, so we have only one cube formula, that is two cube formulas, that is 6th and 7th identity, but in between minus is there, so which is minus 1? This is minus 1. Okay now, so x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. So I have written the identity in box. Now what is x? First one will be x. Okay, that is 2p, comma. What is y? 5. Y is nothing but 5. They have given in this form, we have to convert into this form. So x cube is nothing but 2p whole cube minus y cube means 5 cube minus, here why I am taking here whole and why I am writing simply here cube children, because here 2 number is also there and variable is also there. So that's why I am writing whole cube. That means cube belongs to 2 as well as p. Okay now 5 is only a single number, so I am writing 5 cube as it is. Okay, or else you can write whole cube also, there is no problem. Now minus 3 as it is. X is what? X is nothing but 2p. What is y? Y is nothing but 5. Open bracket. X is what? 2p 2p minus y is what? 5. Okay, now 2p whole cube. 2p whole cube. Now 2p whole cube means what? 2p into 2p into 2p. We have to take 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. P into p into p is nothing but p cube. Okay now. So it is 8p cube minus 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s is what? 125. 125 minus 3 2s are 6. 6 5s are 30. P is there. P as it is I am going to write. Now 2p minus 5 as it is. Now 8p cube minus 125. 30p into 2p is what? We have to take distributive property here. Okay, minus 30p into 2p is minus 32s are 60. P into p is p square. Then again I am going to multiply minus 30p into minus 5. Minus into minus is plus. 35 is 150. P as it is. That's it. Okay now. Now moving to our next identity. Moving to our next question, children, that is example 23. Now here example 23 is example 23. They have given 103 whole cube. Okay, given. It is also on same page number, children, that is page number 53. Now see here, we have to take, as you all know, splitting sum, children. 103 we can write it as 100 plus 3 whole cube. Okay, now which identity we have to use? We have only cube identity is 2. Here it is plus, so that's why x plus y whole cube. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy, x plus y you have to write in here, okay, in box. Now I am going to write it. X plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy, x plus y. Okay now x is what? X is nothing but 100. What is y? Y is nothing but 3. In play they have given in this form, we have to convert into this form simply. 100 cube plus 3 cube plus 3 as it is. X is what? 100. Y is what? 3. X plus y means 100 plus 3. See here, now 100 cube. 100 into 100 into 100. You have to multiply this. Okay, 100 into 100 is 10,000. Okay, 10,000 into 100. You have to multiply it. Simply what you can do, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. How many zeros are there? You can write that many zeros. Okay. Okay now, or else you can multiply directly. You know multiplication, you can do it. Plus 3 cube is nothing but 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Plus this all together you have to multiply. 3 into 100 is 300. 300 into 9 is 900. 100 plus 3 is 103. Now we must multiply this two. Okay, 900 into 103. So I'll be writing this as it is. Plus 25. 10 lakh it is. Okay, 27 plus 900 into 103 is, you have to multiply it. 900 into 103. When you multiply, you will get 92,700. 92,700. Now you have to add all this. You will be getting 1092727. That is 10,92,727. That's it. I hope you all have understood today's topics. Thank you, children. And all these sums whichever I explained, you have to write in your classwork also, children. Okay now, but don't send as assignment. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a good day.